Don't underestimate the healing power of beauty. Man-made beauty, yes, like art, music, dance, theatre, architecture, but that of nature, the art produced by Mother Nature is incredible. It is so nourishing. Just look at the sunrise and the sunset, the starry sky at night, the ocean, lakes, waterfalls, rivers, grass, rocks, forests, the desert. This immense beauty that has this cleansing effect on your whole being, cleansing of the crap and nourishing. It's happened to me several times that when I felt really bad, especially when I suffered post-traumatic stress disorder, and then I was there in awe of nature's beauty, and I could not feel bad in that moment. It was just like this wave of love, of beauty, of an intimate connection with nature's beauty that just took over. I forget about me, my trauma, my problems. And the nervous system, in front of that immense beauty, it relaxes itself and it becomes open to take that in. Try to do that more in your life. Spend more time in nature. Watch the sunset, the sunrise. Watch the changing seasons, the changing weather. And make a point out of making your space where you live as beautiful as possible, a serene place that will nourish you, that will create beauty and peace. So wherever you look around you, there are objects that you love, maybe plants, colors that makes you feel good. When you manage to surround yourself with beauty, it's so much easier then to heal. So don't underestimate the healing power of beauty and of nature.